Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Instagram Messenger update not working. To start the process, open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Then go to your profile. Here, tap on Menu on your top right corner. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, tap on Account Center. After that, tap on Accounts. Now tap on Add Accounts. Here, tap on Add Facebook Account. Then, tap on your Facebook username. Tap on Continue. Here, tap on Yes, finish adding. After that, tap on Profile. Then tap on your username. Again, tap on your username. Now turn the toggle on for Sync Profile Info. Here, tap on Sync Profile Info. As you can see, your profile info will be synced. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.